Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about order of adjectives. We all know that adjectives are words that describe nouns. Order of adjectives. When two or more adjectives are used to modify a noun or pronoun in a sentence. Or we can say that when more than one adjective comes before a noun, the adjectives are normally in a particular order. Generally, the adjective order in English is first is opinion, second is size, third is age, fourth is shape, fifth is color, sixth is origin, seventh is material, eighth is purpose. Let's discuss about opinion. A general opinion adjective explains what you think about something. Means this is usually our opinion, attitude or observation. For example, silly, beautiful, horrible and difficult. These adjectives almost always come before all other adjectives. Next is size. It tells us how big or small something is. Means size can be big, small, tall and teeny. Next is shape. A shape adjective describes the shape of something. Means it tells us about the shape of something or how long or short it is. It can also refer to the weight of someone or something. For example, round, square, circular. Next is age. It tells us how old someone or something is. Means it tells us about the age of something or someone. For example, old, young, new, ancient, antique. Next is color. The color or approximate color of something tells us the color of approximate color of something or someone. For example, green, white, yellow, reddish, purple, any color. Origin. It tells us about where something is from. Means it describes where something comes from. For example, British, Italian, Eastern, Australian. Next is material. It tells us what is the thing made of or constructed of. Means a material can be of gold, wooden, silk, paper, synthetic, cotton or woolen. A material adjective describes what something is made from. Last one is purpose. Means what is it for. Means it tells us about the purpose of something or someone. These adjectives often end in ing. For example, sleeping, gardening, shopping, wedding, etc. Thank you.